Kani kadai ka Kripa Foundation Meghalaya, Kaba Sumar ya kibriu ki balalong marau bat kerni ha ki jingdi penbuan, Kaba don Haka Shillong nong seder Ribhoi district. Ka jingker khu ya ki katu kat ni kibriu ki balaju Shah Sumar bat yo jingarap ban Lait no na ki jingdi penbuan, kalong ba enda ki lakot pat ki yo kam ban trei sendan Haka ni ka Jaka Sumar. Kaba long ka jingarap bakin Lait bandit pai biang syaka jingem kabarem. Lada don kum kini ki Jaka Sumar lani ki weipat ki kenhun ki bakloy ban ai kam ban treya kum kini ki jait brio lesi kan long usenyang bakrau ya kum kini ki brio ki balalat na ki jingkerni ha ki jingdi penbuat ki babon jait.
But 14 years back, in 2013, I came to Kripa, Guwahati, and that's where I got my treatment and my recovery. And then slowly, Kripa Foundation encouraged me to become a training staff over there. So now it's been 15 years running. I've been working with Kripa Foundation. And in 2021, I got transferred from Guwahati to Meghalaya. So since then, since 2021, I've been in Meghalaya. Actually, you see, Kripa has a big role to play in my life because through Kripa, I found my life got transformed, Because before I came to Kripa, the other 20 years of my life was miserable, very painful, suffering, community people and everybody, disowned me, So, but I think after 20, because my total using is about 24 years, 25 years. And when you're early part of using, you don't realize things, because the addiction takes over you completely, and even if you try to do something good, it backs you out from it. So my story was something like that.
Manta lalong shisnam 8 ma pravnai. Right now ngadang yarap hapo kitchen. Once in a month I also attend Jaka kamlajong sa bernihat, and then I nga shalit chayengru once a month. It helps me at the end of the day, and I'm involved from 5 o'clock in the morning until 8-9 o'clock in the evening. When I go back to my room, I'm tired, so I just get a very good sleep. Everything is routine out here. It's like a routine. We have to follow that routine. The biological clock I'm used to this environment. Shayeng also, I try to inculcate that one also. Yeah, it's helping me mainly. Right now, I'm concentrating on my sobriety only.
Yes, I come to Kripa because of my addiction last year on the month of November 27. The recovery process is very long. We cannot say we are fully recovered. The way of recovery, because when we accept we as an addict, is a kind of disease, so it's work for long life along with us. So a common people and we is far different, because we have to fight each and every day along with us. Each and every day, we can't say tomorrow what should happen with me, and whatever is past is past. Because I was to work with my present time. I am working as a supporting staff over here. So thanks to Ma'am Victoria, even thanks to our Shah, and thank you, sir. My name is Khubor. I come to Kripa because of my addiction last year on the month of November 27.